Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Right now you're looking at socialblade.com, and today we're gonna find out how much NIANA Guerrero make per month on YouTube. But before we do that, I want you guys to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys be updated whenever I put out YouTubers how much they make a month. Alright guys, let's get started. So let's type in NIANA right there, Guerrero. Alright. There she is, guys. Music and laughter. She got like 811 million views lifetime. And then let's select the channel. So she was graded A minus. Look right here, estimated monthly earnings. So she make between $10,000 to $160,000. But we're gonna go more specific. We're gonna go right here, guys, to find out. This is what we're gonna do. In the last 30 days, let me pull up the calculator. In the last 30 days, 40 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide that by 1,000. Okay? Why 1,000? Look, on my channel, I get paid $3.48 per 1,000 view. That's all depends on your niche too. Some people get paid like $30, $1, $2. So let's say she get paid $2 per 1,000 views. So you multiply that by 2. This is how much she get paid per dollar. She get paid $80,000 a month, guys. $80,000 a month. All right, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of cheese. All right, I really like NIANA Guerrero. She's from Philippines, man. She dances so good. So what you're gonna do in pesos to convert that, you multiply that by 50. So this is how much she makes. She make 4 million pesos per month. Okay guys, 4 million pesos per month. That's a lot of money. I couldn't even make that in my lifetime working. So anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. There's a lot of videos gonna pop up over there. You watch them too, check them out how much money they make. And I see you guys on my next video.